Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to use saved replies on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to use saved replies on your Instagram, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to open your Instagram app. Click on your Instagram profile icon. Then you can see top right side 3 horizontal lines. You just need to click on this. Then click on settings and privacy. You can see here for professional creator tools and controls. Guys, this option will be available if you have switched to your professional account. If you have not switched to your professional account, then you will not see this option. If you are seeing this option, you just need to click on this creator tools and controls. Here you can see saved replies. You just need to click on this. Below you can see here new saved reply. Click on this. Then select. You can see here shortcut. Here you type whatever you want. For example, I will type as hi. Then below you can type the message whatever you want. For example, I will type as how are you. Then click on save. Then go to your chat option. Open your anyone chat. You just need to click on this plus mark. You can see here first option saved reply. Just click on this. You can see the message what you have saved. How are you? Just select that one. You can see hi. Then tap on send. That's it guys. So in this way you can use saved replies on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.